What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing Burke Cullianes' Film Burn Pack. Let's get into it. If you're new here, my name is Josh Haynes. I'm a freelance filmmaker and I love all things filmmaking. I love giving tips, tricks, tutorials, all that stuff. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and tagging along. Just recently, Burke Cullianes dropped a film burn pack for 2019. And if you guys don't know who Burke Cullianes is, he's an awesome filmmaker. He does great tutorials as well. He does vlogs. He just started his own freelance film company, King Wolf Collective. So I've known Burke for a little bit. I even spent a week out at his house last year and we did a bunch of videos, collabed, went to New York, hung out with Cody. It was a crazy time. With all that aside, I love finding a product that will help you guys out in the editing and spice up your videos. And he recently dropped a film burn pack for 2019. And I thought, I need to review this. That's what we're doing today. And before you guys go crazy in the comments, I paid for this. It was not sent to me for free. He did not ask me to review this. I just know Burke is a fantastic filmmaker and he creates good stuff. So I wanted to see if this was something that you guys might benefit from. Let's jump in Resolve and we will check the stuff out. So after you launch your editor of choice, I chose Resolve because recently I've just changed over to Resolve. You can see inside here that I created a really cool just slow motion piece that I got to shoot on the 1DX Mark II the other day with some friends. And I was like, you know what? This would be a perfect time to test out these light leaks. So the first thing I like to do is really check out the value to what you're spending on a product. He gave you a total of 5 different film burns. You've got white at 5600 Kelvin. You've got light blue at 5600 Kelvin with CTB. You've also got an extremely blue with 2600 Kelvin with also CTB. And then on the orange spectrum, you've also got a 9600 Kelvin with a CTO and a 5600 Kelvin at a CTO. For you guys that don't know, CTO stands for color temperature orange, CTB stands for color temperature blue. The first thing I noticed off the bat is these videos are really lengthy, and that's good. It's not maybe 5 to 6 second clips of something going on. No, you're getting a good chunk of time on each one of these clips. And you're getting a whole bunch of different light leaks, flares. It's kind of got this aged film look at certain points. It almost looks really grungy. And then if you jump over to another one, it's almost different, as in some are a little bit slower, panning out of the light leaks. Some are quicker and whips through. So there is a slew and variety of things that you can choose from in each one of these videos. Let me show you an example of what you could do with one of these. I'm gonna move all this down to the end. I'm just gonna grab one of the most random clips I can find. Yep, that'll work right there. We'll just set an in and an out point. That works fine. Then we're gonna scroll to the actual film burns and pick what we're kind of feeling for this scene. You can change these a little bit with color, but ideally using them more true tone to what they are. That's why he gave you CTO and CTB in different colors, is kind of gonna give you the best option. What I personally like to do is find the end of where it fades out and backtrack a little bit, because I'd rather it come in real hot and end on my clip than do the opposite. What we're gonna do is go up here and we can hit add and it'll immediately add it into it. We can change the opacity, bring it up or down. We can also go through and just start messing with it. Color burn, we can do color dodge. And just to show the difference, we're gonna copy this, bring it over. We're gonna do the first one as add and the second one as darken. And you can see it's a completely different look from A to B. It's just giving you a completely different effect. And again, if you go in there and change the opacity, you really start to mess with things and make it really weird. One tip and something I like to do personally with film burns is I like to stack them sometimes. So I'll grab one, maybe make it add, and I'll do the other one as darken. So we've got this just completely weird looking clip. Overall, I would highly recommend this film burn pack. It is a heck of a deal. I think I spent $5 on it, and I got a total of 5 really lengthy clips. So it's not like you're getting 5 just little tiny transitions. You're getting a good chunk. Each one of those has probably got 5 to 10 different light effects going on in each one of them. So it's a heck of a deal. Again, I'm not getting paid to say any of this. I will have links for it in the description below. I personally think it is a great product, and it'll help every creator out there just spice up their videos, and having a variety of different things to do with it. Really, you could do the same film burn, but 3 different effects in 3 different videos, and you're not gonna know that it was the same film burn. Well, that's it for me today, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment below. Let me know some other products maybe you wanna see reviewed, some new videos and tutorials you wanna see coming out. I'd love to know, hear your thoughts. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already with the bell notification on so you don't miss any of my new videos. I'm the Iron Giant. You guys are amazing. I'm out.